Alright, so here's how to divide two cells or two columns in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select a cell that you want to put your division result in. So for my case, I'm going to put my division result here. So I will select this cell and then go with the formula bar and simply type in equal. Then select the first column and then put on division and simply select the second column and then simply go with the hint enter. Alright, so now if you want to put answer of all of these, then simply go and move your cursor onto the right corner and simply drag it down like this and you will get the answer. So that's how you can divide in Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.